In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Photos on Smart TV. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Google Play or App Store or Play Store that you can find on your Smart TV. So on some cases, it's also called App Store. So make sure to search in there on your TV for that. Once you have it ready, click onto the search bar and from in there, search for Google Photos. Once you have typed it, it should be able to be found right here onto this case. So from this case, just head over and then click on the install option in order to install it directly. So the Google Photos have something like this wherein you can see all of their photos and you can access it directly onto your TV. To access it, you need to be logged in onto the same Google account that you have on your Google Photos on your phone. And for that, you can actually just see the photos directly on your TV once you have it ready since it's already on the cloud. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.